Xfinity error code RDK-03033 means your device can't connect to the Xfinity network. The error message typically reads, "Can't connect, check coax and restart." This usually points to an issue with the coaxial cable connection or a problem during the device's startup process. We will go over how to resolve this error. The most common cause of RDK-03033 is a loose or damaged coaxial cable. First, locate the coaxial cable connected to your Xfinity device, such as a cable modem, gateway, or set-top box. Unscrew the coaxial cable from both the device and the wall outlet. Check for any damage to the cable or connectors. Rescrew the cable tightly back into both the device and the wall. Make sure it's snug but not over-tightened. After checking the coax connection, restart your Xfinity device by unplugging the power cord from the back of the device. Wait 60 seconds to ensure the device fully powers down. Plug the power cord back in. Allow the device several minutes to power on and re-establish a connection. This restart forces a reboot of the device's firmware, clearing temporary bugs and resyncing with the network. Poor signal strength can cause this error. Optimal signal levels are typically between -10 dBmV and +10 dBmV. Check signal levels through the Xfinity app if possible. If signal strength is significantly outside this range, there may be an issue with the line that requires Xfinity's attention. External factors can interfere with your signal. Ensure the coax cable is not near any sources of electrical noise. Check for corroded connectors, especially outdoors, as environmental factors can degrade connections. Storms and extreme weather can also disrupt signals, potentially triggering this error. The Xfinity Xfi app includes powerful built-in troubleshooting tools specifically designed for diagnosing connectivity issues like RDK-03033. Open the app and go to the Network tab to access device management and diagnostic features. Select the Troubleshoot option to run automated diagnostics on your modem or gateway. The diagnostics can identify specific connection problems, such as signal issues or device errors, and provide targeted solutions. You can also run speed tests within the app to verify your internet performance and detect slowdowns. Xfinity continues to refine these diagnostic tools, including real-time troubleshooting capabilities that help prevent and resolve issues more effectively. If you've tried checking the coaxial cable, restarting your device, troubleshooting signal strength, addressing potential interference, and using the Xfinity app for diagnostics, but the RDK-03033 error still persists, it's time to contact Xfinity support. The issue could be with the outside line or equipment that you can't access yourself, or there might be a network outage affecting your area. When you contact support, provide them with the specific error code RDK-03033 and detail the troubleshooting steps you've already attempted. This helps them diagnose the issue more efficiently. You can reach Xfinity support through phone, the Xfinity app, or community forums. According to recent surveys, 65% of users find self-help tools satisfactory, but for persistent issues like this, professional assistance is recommended. Comcast is moving towards fiber optic and wireless alternatives, which should reduce these types of errors. They also utilize AI in apps and routers to predict and prevent errors. Expect firmware patches and user education campaigns as they continue to improve network stability. As Xfinity accelerates full fiber deployments, this will reduce such errors by 50%. RDK-0333 errors will become less common with these improvements.